Is this how you deal with chemical engineering? Ngoba nangu nozinto weKaizer kubonakele abhala eAmstel Arena asimazi ubhalani kodwa ke seemingly it worked because Kaizer Stars came through winners in the penalty shootout against the Orlando Pirates in that round of 16 clash in the Nedbank Cup. So maybe Mthombeni's got it figured out. Mhlawumbe yena uMthombeni unomthombo wale ndaba yamaqanda.
Yaphela iPirates yabantu namhlanje. Yaphetha kwezimnyama. Aphenduka amatafula. Gobi. Kuyasinda. Kunzima.
Bafana, stadium etiquette. No vuvuzelas, no booing. And especially, no eggs.
Yebo malume.
Thank you, Makosi, for letting us use your changing room. Keep the place clean. Don't go putting eggs or muti in the corners. Yebo malume. Around my stadium. Yebo malume.
They are failing to beat a small team and they think they can beat us? Yo, let me run before they spray some chemicals on me.
Pirates ji lo mosadi ya ka wa celebrate amore ene ke le khosi ke nyetse o busy montlu mo busy o pela hai a buila makhosi re winne o se wa bona rorobala ga itshiding o monke o lena wa rasa ha ke na mosadi o celebrateang ke jelo Kapole ne ke yone o resitse. I'm your leader. Ya go le ntshweleng ka ntlu mo. Alman Faliel.